Ultimate Fire Link, Olvera Street. $1 bet, penny denom. Finally got the hold and spin bonus. It's been a super long time. Playing on Carnival Firenze today. Lots of videos from this evening. So many people in the casino tonight. Like and subscribe, Casino Bonus Views. There we go. Lots of real estate here. Drop them wherever you want them. There we go. Keep it alive. One more, we get that $2 one. There we go. And more real estate. The best part of that exchange. We got videos from all over the world gambling. Only the bonuses, over 500 videos now. Casino Bonus Views. Subscribe, please. Like and subscribe. There we go. Those are some big balls. It's been a long time since I got a Lightning Link, Ultimate Fire Link bonus. And it only takes so many too. It's so much better than the other games, but it still was hiding from me. Let's get that mini. It's not that much to ask for. Shouldn't be the kiss of death to get a mini here. We got 2 to get 2. 1 to re-trigger. I guess that oh, it got it. Good, we re-triggered. Let's get that mini. Let's feel satisfied and get that mini. Get the full screen here. There's lots of light in those windows that are still open. There we go. Oh, even better than the mini. Almost as good as the mini, the $12.50. This will be a good win on a $1 bet. It'll be easy to figure out the multiplication. Carnival Firenze is probably one of the better ships here on the West Coast. At least in the Carnival line here. It's got a cool theme on the ship. Let's add it up. Like and subscribe, Casino Bonus Views. Throw that mini up there first. Started this game with 50 bucks. The rest is all winnage. $61. We're up. We're up $36. Again, like and subscribe, Casino Bonus Views. Good luck.